Welcome and thank you for joining me today here at Kramer Mazda. My name is Michael Senarowski and I'm showcasing off one of our used units here. This is a Nissan Murano SL. This is the trim that has the leather interior with the Bose sound system, so really premium quality sound. It has had one owner, it has 0 accidents, and only 93,000 kilometers for this vehicle. This trim level has a 3.6 liter engine, puts out 260 horsepower and 240 pounds of torque. Walking around the vehicle, as you can see, no dents, no scrapes. The owner kept it in really good, clean condition. Just gonna make my way to the front here, as you can see. Like I was saying, owner did take really good care of the vehicle. She ended up putting 3M on the vehicle, ended up putting paint protection on the vehicle, as well as the leather protection for the inside. And then we're just gonna walk around the side here and I'll show you the inside. All right, coming along the inside of the vehicle, we have our white beige interior. We have our wood grain interior on the door dash, as well as along the shifter knobs here. The owner kept it in really good shape. Steering wheel looks good. This vehicle in particular has 93,000 kilometers on it. We have here our infotainment system that will give you your dual climate controls, as well as your music controls for the Bose speakers in here, which gives you really good quality sound system for those long drives. Showcase the seats a little bit. As you can see, still a really good shape. Coming to the back, I'm going to showcase another feature this Murano has. The Nissan really likes for its customers and passengers to be very comfortable. As you can see, the back passengers can recline their seats just like the front passenger as well. Really nice, comfortable ride for those long drives. We have our vents in the back just for the added climate control. And coming around for the cargo space. Lots of room back here. As you can see, the seats do recline and do take up a little bit of that cargo space. But the nice thing, when you are back here, we have our quick release latches located on the sides of the vehicle that will just drop the seats forward for you. Alright guys, my name is Michael Senarowski again. If you have any more questions about this vehicle, please contact me at the store at 403-930-6127. Thanks again for joining me and talk soon.